Hello, cordial greeting, dear tutor. Below I share the answer to the interview question. Who are you? My name is Pineda. I am 27 years old. I am a student at UNAD in the Industrial Engineering program. I currently live in my hometown, Parito, Boyacá. I am technologist in integrated ASEQ management systems, and I work as a health and safety inspector in a drilling and geotechnical company. Where you string and weekends? Among my string is teamwork, proactive, and responsibility. Is time of the weekends I consider that I must know what to control situation, since sometimes they are a bit temperamental and too perfectionist. Do you have plans for further education? Trusting I got, of course, yes, since we finished the industrial engineering program. I want to start with a specialization in industrial production management. Why do you think you are suited for this position? Because this job in perfect suit to my skill. I am totally convinced that your company is the right one for my interest and skill. Where are your short-term goals? In the short term, I hope the string and the love skill which will contribute to the continued growth of your organization. What are your long-term goals? The long term, I want to grow professional in your organization and to continue learning in the future. I see myself in the coordinator of your company ST management systems. Please describe your work experience. I have 2 years experience as an SST inspector, of which 6 months are in the transport sector and 1 year and a half in the industrial area. What leaderships or managerial position have you held? As an occupational health and safety analyst. What string role you bring to a team? Leadership, teamwork, and creative. Which aspect can you help to improve in your professional area? I will learn to have situation improve what temperamental I am in the same way it will learn that in life it also valid to make mistake and that you learning from quite so I will stop being so perfectionist. What can you do for the work from your professional perspective? Guarantee quality products and products, contribute to caring for the environment, and above all, ensure the safety of people. Thank you. Bye bye.